What's going on, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to the channel. We'll be discussing passive income, crypto, stocks, and affiliate marketing. And as you guys already know from the title, we've been about to be talking about our ClickBank series. But before we get into that, guys, just go ahead and give me that L and that special. Give me the like and the subscribe button for more content. I'm also trying to get 200 subs by the end of the month. I appreciate every single sub. If you guys have any at all suggestions on my next video, anything you want me to talk about next outside of my normal videos, I will consider it if you comment down below. Also hit the like and subscribe button. And today's going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to be doing the normal thing. I'm just going to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. If this is your first time here and you haven't seen this before, just go back to my playlist of the ClickBank $5,000, or maybe it says $4,000, trying to make $4,000 to $5,000 in a month with this ClickBank strategy. All we're going to be doing is copying and pasting these scripts which we got from ClickBank, and we're going to be putting in this particular system. And I will be leaving links down below for those of you who want to join me on this particular journey. Let me go ahead and log into this particular account, and in this system I get 100 to 200 leads every single day of the week. Well, let me go ahead and check something before I go ahead and do this, just to make sure I can do it, because there is a 23-hour wait after every single email. So right now I still have an hour left. So all I'm going to do is just show you guys what I normally do without pressing the send button, since I can't send right now. Okay, let's see. Where is me? Here we go. So since I already have all of my my emails already wrote out, I'm just going to cut, copy, and paste it into the MLGS system, which is pretty much where you get 100 leads a day. And when you get one person to join under you, you get 200 leads a day. And what I just did was press select all. It selects all of the emails that I have. I have 27,000 on this account. You can have multiple accounts. I have 5. They have some people that have 10. All I'm going to do is copy and paste that here. Come down to the body. And if you don't understand what I'm doing, guys, just go ahead and watch my other videos that will explain everything that I did not explain in this video. And I'm just going to come down here. See, some of the place where I get them from, sometimes they have multiple options for the subject line, so I'll copy them both and just make a decision. On which one that I want to use. And this is pretty much all we're going to be doing. To me, this is kind of like a passive income stream, because passive income is pretty much money you make with not a lot of time and not a lot of effort put into it. And as you can see, this doesn't take very long to do at all. I mean, it shouldn't take you any more than 10 to 15 minutes to do this. Oh, not cut. I need to cut it. This is pretty much my ClickBank link. I need to cut that. Highlight this. Yeah, passive income is what I consider passive income is what it doesn't take very long to do. It doesn't take a lot of time out of your day. It doesn't take like a whole lot of effort, and this doesn't take hardly any effort. All the only effort it's going to take is you signing up and opening up your accounts, and then going to ClickBank and watch my other videos to see where I get these email swipes from. Now, since I don't have so I have to wait like another 40 minutes before I can send my emails. What I'm going to do is just show you what I would normally do after I send my emails. After I send that, what I normally do is I come up here, I click and right click on log out, open up a new tab, and in this new tab I open up my other accounts that I have, and I just copy and paste it. This is number 1, this is account number 2. I log into that account, and all I would do is go back to the other page. And even though it has a link that's clickable in the body of the email, I just copy and paste the subject from there to there, copy and paste the body from here to here, and that's pretty much it. You do that with as many accounts as you have, and then you just wait for the results. Now, in the beginning, if you're just starting, if you had a brand new account, you more than likely won't make any money. This is not a get-rich-quick stream. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is something that is going to take a little bit of time in order for you to make some money, because you have to have multiple accounts to make the money a little bit faster. If I have 5 times the accounts, I'll have 5 times the results, is what I'll say. If you have one account, it may take you anywhere from 30 to 60 days, and it is different depending on the person, the emails, the offer, because there's some people who have one account and may get a sale in 3 weeks. It just all depends. It's can't really predict that part of it. That's why most people get multiple accounts. At the very least, you would say get 2 or maybe even 3 if you can afford to do so. This particular system is $6 a month for the first month. After that, it's $30 per month after that. And this is pretty much a long-term strategy. As I said, you can just pay the $30 a month for about 3 or 4 months, and just keep sending those emails, and you'll be making passive income in no time. And all you'll do is copy and paste like you just saw me do, and that's pretty much all you would do every single day after you get everything set up. That's it, guys. I appreciate you for watching this video. This is the Passive Income Trucker, and we talk crypto, passive income, stocks, and affiliate marketing. Thank you, guys. Be blessed.